I just discovered how to get access to Google VEO 3 and Nano Banana Pro for free, and in this video I'll be showing you how you too can get access to it unlimited, totally for free. So let's get started. Okay, so just head over to your browser and search for Gemini Business, just like this, and it's going to bring you to this browser tab. Just click on the first one that says Gemini Business Google Gemini, and it's going to bring you to this interface. All you just need to do is to put in your Gmail right here. As you can see, I've entered my Gmail. Just click on continue, and automatically it takes you to the Google Gemini for Business interface. Now, what this means is that it gives you access to almost all the pro tools for Google for free, such as Google Gemini, VEO 3, and even Nano Banana. So just continue. As you can see, you are going to be having access to this for 30 days. Now, this is how you do it. You use one email, get access to it for 30 days. Then you use another email to get access to it for another 30 days. The same thing. All you just need to do is to be flipping emails. So this is how we do it. So as you can see, we are right here in the platform. So we'll just go ahead to test out this platform and see. So if you look at it right here now, all you can do is to start generating. It looks more like Google Gemini. The interface is like Google Gemini, so you can just start creating your videos. So to start creating your videos, all you just need to do is to just paste in your prompt. Once you paste in your prompt, you can select to either create a video or create an image. As for me, I'm creating a video and I've pasted my prompt, and I'm going to select VEO 3. So right now I'll just click on enter and it starts generating my video. So as you can see, it's thinking, and after a while my video will be generated. So as you can see, my first video is ready. This is just a random prompt I tested right here, like this ASMR cutting videos. This is not too perfect, but as you can see, you can use Google VEO 3 for free with this tool. So this is another video I tested, and one amazing thing about it is that these videos do not have watermark, does not have VEO 3 watermark, which means it makes it easy for you to publish your videos. So as you can see, I've generated another one right here, as you can see it. So you can generate a lot of videos with this for free. There's no direct limitations. You just keep generating videos. As you can see, I've generated about 3 videos and I'm still generating more videos right here. So right now, this is another video I've generated, and as you can see, it came with voice. So which means that you have full access to Google VEO 3 to generate lots of videos. There's no limitation to the kind of video you can create, as you can see right here. In this video, I've generated about 5 particular videos with this Google Gemini Enterprise, and as you can see, you can keep generating more videos. So all you just need to do is to just generate a new email if you exhaust your 30 days, and then head over to start using it for yourself. So you can actually generate images with Nano Banana with this as well. It is not just only Google VEO 3 you have access to. Just like I said, you can use Nano Banana Pro right here. As you can see, just select it, paste in your prompt, and it's going to give you clean and quality image with Nano Banana Pro. So this is just a random word city I generated with my simple prompt. So you can also generate images and videos with this tool. So go ahead and test it out. And as you can see, you have access to all the models from Google: 2.5 Pro, 2.5 Flash, 3.1 Pro, all of these. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, ensure you share it with other people who are looking for ways to get access to Google VEO 3 and Nano Banana Pro for free. Share it with them, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I drop videos just like this. Now, talking about videos, watch this video to learn how to create talking AI avatars for free.